Breaking news. You don't know what to get your loved one for Christmas, or your friend that you might not love that much. Well, I'm here to help. Welcome to Parts and Coffee. Welcome back to Parts and Coffee. This Christmas, nobody is safe. Safe from what, you ask? Check it out. Check that out. See what I mean? Nobody is safe. I'm here to help you. So this is the steering box. Can you even see this? Can you? I didn't know that whole thing was gonna fall over. Are we good? Are we good? So ladies and gentlemen, this is the gift that keeps on giving. You saw how dangerous those videos were. That's real life, that's a real thing. We have eliminated that problem with the steering box support. So the first thing you'll notice is the quality of the brace itself. From R&D all the way to weld, it's designed and made here in-house at Sinister. Now the end goal was to get rid of the death wobble completely, but we wanted to get you something that's gonna last a long time. That's why we powder coated it black or blue to prevent any rust or corrosion. All right, so after opening up the hardware bag, I wanna show you guys the quality of the mounting hardware we're using. It's all high strength mounting hardware. The pillow block itself is greasable and it will come pre-lubed. Now, in our last video, we talked about size mattering. In this case, size will matter. We offer 2 different steering shafts depending on the year range, so make sure you select the correct year range from the drop down. And if you really are unsure, you can always call into my sales reps. They are shaft experts. Did you say shaft play? Now I look great under this Christmas tree, but I'm not gonna get rid of your death wobble. The steering box supports are gonna look even better under the tree. I think Santa Claus has one in his sleigh. This Christmas, get rid of your death wobble. And Merry Christmas from Sinister Diesel, Parts and Coffee. Happy holidays. Christmas is canceled this year. Too many cases of the death wobble. Is my chair or something?
Shaft play. Compressor wheels. We're talking about shaft play.
I know I look good under the Christmas tree. Okay, let's do it again.